This is a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Originally was a 318 car, but it's been retro-modded with a late model 6.4. All custom under there. We put a nice set of Magnaflows in there. Tucked it all up there real nice and tight in the back. No way to really run it over the axle with this nice custom 4-link suspension in there. Made it where you could have it all removed real easy with a single bolt off these V-band flanges. The magnapack mufflers, a true X pipe right off his long tube headers. Like I said, it's got the 6.4. Have a later Challenger, I think. Should have a nice, smooth, deep tone. That's what the customer's looking for. Let's see what it sounds like. Like I said, the customer didn't want it real loud, wanted it drivable, so I think that did the trick.